Hey everyone, Tom here, and today we're going to talk about how to calculate your flow rate. Now let's say you don't have a water meter or some form of totalizer, but you still want to know what the gallons per minute running through your system is. We also need to know what the gallons per minute is through your system to make sure that we're under the maximum flow rate for the unit you're using. So an easy way to do that is to find this click chart that's available on our website under the Resources tab. It's available for print or for download so your customers can save it and have it on hand for future use. It's very easy to use, and it goes through all of our different units and models available. So to take a quick look at this, one quick example would be our 11 gallon per minute or D25s. If you take a look in 15 seconds, if we had about 22 clicks, we know that we'd be doing roughly 5 gallons per minute or 19 liters per minute. Again, you can find this chart on our Resources tab, and if you have any questions, you can always call or message us. This has been Tom, and thanks for watching.